welcome back to my channel, guys. Thank you so much for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Stay tuned. Today I'll be making plantain tart. So I'll be just showing you how I make my plantain tart. So first you need ripe plantain. The riper the plantain is better. So I'm just gonna cut them in small pieces. It doesn't matter how you cut them, because we'll be crushing them as well. Look at that. Nice. So you can use a fork to do this process as well. So here I'm just adding some melted butter in. Some people do this on the stove top as well, guys. You can do that as well, but I love to do it this way. So you just mix everything in well. And I'll be leaving all the ingredients in the description box. So here I'm just adding my sugar in. And just combine everything together. So I'm just gonna add some salt in. So I'm gonna add all my spices in. The plantain tart is really delicious. It tastes so good. I love it. If you don't have vanilla extract, you can use regular vanilla. That's fine as well. And just mix everything nicely together. Now I'm gonna add some food coloring in. To give it that nice red look. If you don't want to add your food coloring, you don't have to. But plantain tart are known to have that red look. And just mix everything well. Look at that, beautiful. So now I'm gonna mix my dough. So I have some flour here. I'm just gonna add some butter to it. I want it to have that breadcrumbs look. So we're gonna use ice water to mix our dough. And I did add some salt into the dough. So that's the texture that you're looking for. So we're gonna put this in the fridge for 2 hours. So on a clean surface, you're just gonna sprinkle some flour to roll your dough out. You just get your rolling pin and roll that dough out. You want your dough to be flat and smooth. So I have a bowl here. So I'm just gonna make a round circle. So we're just gonna flatten our dough again nicely. You want to make sure it is sealed properly. So I'm just gonna go in with my fork to seal properly. So I'm just going in with my fork just to get some holes in. So we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for 30 minutes long. So now we're just gonna brush some melted butter over it to get that nice crust. And at this point, guys, if you have cinnamon sugar, you can sprinkle some on the top, or you can sprinkle granulated sugar on top as well. Or you don't have to do that. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. I did go ahead and had some granulated sugar on top, and it's delicious. And I'm gonna have this. When I say delicious, I mean it's delicious. Look at that. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching that video. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and let me know in the comment section what you like to see I prepare next. Don't forget to hit that good old notification bell so you'll be one of the first person to be notified when I upload another video. Bye for now.